Sumar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Kokot Kakhia James PK Sangma henne kasngi kashi tarik urampang arajar arpuar. Ula play ya pediatric intensive care unit ne PCU Haganes Das Government MCH Hospital Shillong.
Congratulations. Roger, come this side, please. Roger.
Habakran hakane kasngi James Sangma ulayathu bakomba life hoteliki case hakane ka jaka Sumar kidai kibaya dei bat ki Khunlung. Ula ongru bakane ka PCU kalong ka badan kambha hakane ka jaka Sumar. Nakalyang UDHS Dr. Amanwar ulaong baka jingple yakane ka jaka ay jing Sumar ka bakir pang yaki Khunlung kadai ka badan kamtam namar kane kan ay ka jing Sumar yaki Khunlung bat yaki khenna hakarukom kababiang hakane kasngi layo ru yaka jingkren na I Dr. Dipade ibadai I pediatric specialist na principal secretary jong Katanat Kokot Kakhia Usampat Kumar.
As we celebrate 50 years of our statehood, to be inaugurating this pediatric ICU, I think it is very, very symbolic, it's very significant, and the need of the hour that today we are being able to inaugurate this pediatric ICU, and I'm indeed very, very
putting up all that infrastructure. This is the first one. Thereafter, I think in a month or 2 months, I think we expected to, bring another 8 PICUs, across the state. So that is another thing that we are working on it. So this is as I said, it's a very important thing. Like a lot of things are happening. Human resources are there. We have, as I said, we have pediatricians, we have the gynecologists now. So we are really now, like when the task is given to them, when the committee was constituted and we said and they really delivered so well. So one of the things that we really require to do is that how actually we are building that decentralized leadership.